show you love. Oh no. I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slow in a groove of your love. But I don't even know how the cat.
Relax and open a blind box with me. This one is Bobo and Coco Balloon Land. The theme is fruit and animals. A cherry fawn. Schneep schneep. Coco is festive. Woo woo. Now Blueberry Penguin has a friend. I haven't seen my boyfriend in almost a month because I have COVID. Today he surprised me with these presents. Is so cute and small. Please excuse me freaking out. These Valentine's Day Squishmallows were ones I really wanted. OMG. OMFG, it's my queen. I didn't think I was going to get her since I can't go out to shop. OMG, I'm crying. I feel so loved.
Just did a bad thing. Friday hell.
Unboxing time. Schneep, schneep. Mysterious envelope. Oh my gosh. They wrapped it. I could only afford to get you this because I am struggling financially due to COVID, but I hope you enjoy. I love you and thank you for making 2020 amazing and reminding me it's okay to be down sometimes. Oh my gosh. You are so sweet and thoughtful and I don't feel worthy. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. New washi tape. Oh, thank you so much. I always blow through washi tape when I'm packaging orders for my store, and this is going to be so helpful. Thank you so much. Oh.
a la nena le gusta que le hagan. Hace